Right, good day and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons and now I'm looking at present value annuity, right? So present value annuity is generally a loan taken over a long period of time or period of time that requires us to pay every month plus interest payable on the loan. So as soon as we make regular payments on the loans, we generally end up using present value annuity. So P, present value of a loan taken. X, which you by now should know is installments of regular payments, I and N. Right? Now that formula, as you can see, just swapped around. N now becomes negative and it's 1 minus. Ne? For the present value, 1 plus I to the power N minus 1. Right? Now, one day when you retire, you'll also make use of this formula. Right? When you want to calculate how many withdrawals we are able to make from our investment of a certain value. Alright, so let's look at the first problem. And by now you should see I generally take a easier route so that you are able to see how we use the formula. Now, Larato wishes to apply for home loan. Bank charges interest at 11% per annum, compounded monthly. So my interest divided by 12 time period times 12. You can afford a monthly installment of 9,000, so X equals 9,000, and wants to repay the loan over a period of 15 years. So 15 times 12. She will make the first monthly repayment 1 month after the loan is granted. Calculate to the nearest 1,000 rand the maximum amount that Larato can borrow from the bank. Right, so number 1, home loan. When you see that word, we're dealing with present value annuity. Interest 0,11 divided by 12, X 9,000, right? So, substitute in 9,000, 1 plus 0,11 over 12, the power 15 times 12 gives me negative 180, divided by 0,11 divided by 12, which gives me 791,837 rand 43. Right, so to the nearest 1,000, take note I can't increase it, so Larato qualifies for a loan of 791,000 under the given conditions. So when you are ready to take out a bond, when you start working, can look generally only a third of your salary can go towards bond payment. Right, so you can look at a third of your salary, use this formula and work out what you qualify for. Right, or you can just use the internet and use their bond calculator. Right, but I equals 0,11 over 12, 1 mark for calculating incorrectly, 1 mark for substituting correct in the formula, 1 mark for the answer, and 1 mark for knowing that we have to round down to 791,000. So that in a nutshell is how we use present value. Right, but by now you know we're going to change the exam question. Can you calculate N, calculate X, etc. Present value has a lot of extra things that come with it. All the best. Goodbye.